Exploring the phrase, "get down tonight" in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting phrase in English. Get down tonight. This phrase is popular in songs and casual conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can add a lively element to your English skills. Let's dive in. Get down tonight is a phrase that's rich in cultural context. Originally popularized by music, particularly in the disco era, it carries a meaning of letting loose, enjoying oneself, and dancing. The phrase isn't about physically getting down. It's more about feeling free and uninhibited. To understand how "get down tonight" is used in everyday language, let's look at some examples. Are you ready to get down tonight at the party? This song makes me want to get down and dance. In these examples, the phrase is used to express the excitement of enjoying oneself, often through dancing or partying. It's important to understand the cultural background of this phrase. Originating from the 1970s disco era, it's often associated with energetic, upbeat music and dance. Using this phrase can add a playful or nostalgic tone to your conversation, especially among those familiar with this musical era. I hope you found this exploration of the phrase, "get down tonight," both informative and enjoyable. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding the culture and history behind the phrases we use. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add some fun expressions to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.